Hi guys, right now we'll show you where to store this cargo cover in Hyundai Venue. First of all, you need to remove these two strings that hold it in place. Now from this position, we'll show you actually inside. It can be actually guided like this all the way down, and this way it will be stored behind the back seat. So slide it down like this all the way, and there it is. In case if you don't want it sitting here, if you have a lot of luggage, this is how you put it behind the back seat, and now you have more space, and this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.